are back to drop off even more. Look at all of the knowledge in today's home building industry. Also got the fine blue shades, matching my fine blue exhibitor pass. What? Took a break and we are back onto it. I got the SEMA backpack just because, well, because these catalogs are like Bibles. So here we go back at it. Everybody, we have taken a break. I've taken a break because I brought in my old SEMA bag because I was getting so much material. And if you look into this box, look at this. We even have a little can cooler that's, so if you look here in the box, I have it all. Clips, pencils, coasters, all of the catalogs. We got everything. And I'm gonna go back for more because there's so much here. So I've taken a quick break just because my SEMA bag was getting so full of all of this promo stuff. So all that stuff's going in there. We got cups, coolers, just things, and tons of construction pencils, tons of carpenter pencils, which I totally dig because I go through those. So here we are taking a quick break and we get back to it. We've made it as far as the backpack loading docks. Following this cue, and That's nice back here. Got me a Coke, and we're going back. Okay, here we go. The Builders Show. Nice. All right, I'm collecting from Boost. Let's do it.
Hold on a sec.
Ready?
We're ready.
Oh, sweet heaven. I am on my third trip to the car with an entire bag of goodies, all the promos, all the catalogs, all the business cards of everything going on in the industry to do with design, luxury, construction. Back to the car. I have to go unload and then come back because there's cocktails. So that's what I'm going to do. Like I said, we're back to drop off even more. Look at all of the knowledge in today's home building industry, all the innovative ideas, all the catalogs for everything. I absolutely love it. So now that we have acquired all the cool pieces and all the knowledge, apparently there's like a drinking. They all have a bash after this. So I am going to, since I have my Iraq shirt on, I'm going to sneak into the bash. And yeah, we'll figure it out, huh? We are matching. After hours here, and there's nothing really better than just having a cold one and checking out all the latest products, innovations, and designs. Construction world, to tell you that much. So here we are. This is it. All right, we've come out to this section of the convention center. Kind of like where TJ Hunt had his booth at last time. We're kind of like right around this area, and it's kind of like where it's going on. That's what it's looking like right here. We got a cold one. Let's go take a walk through. up and outside. Finally made it with the convention. Now we got to find bar number 2. Boom, quick shot of this sign, like it's low-key jumping off right now at KBIS. It actually is. She said take 2. I was like, how'd you know? All right, welcome to the crib. Right across the street is the Fontaine Blue. Wow, this is such a vibe. Yeah. Hello, welcome to my bedroom, and the Fontaine Blue is literally right across the street here in downtown Las Vegas. Very cool little setups here. I'm gonna grab one of these. Even the living room is such a vibe. Standing on the balcony, it's spacious. It makes you feel as if it's really big inside. So standing on the balcony, it's that time. We are right here. This is the bash. We got a couple other units over here I'm gonna go check out now. However, very cool. Convention center, the balcony's down there, everybody's having drinks, chill time. I'm way on the other side, but this is gonna be pretty much it from the balcony, unless anything else happens. Wait a minute, I think I